okay, without us doing so one by one. So this is more efficient. And usually when this happens, I can maybe move away from my computer and do something else. So as you can see in the background, it's exporting the images, okay, without me doing anything. Okay, so we have the images now over here. Okay, so these are the exported images. Okay. Okay, so now we'll copy and paste all of them, okay, to where our game is at. So over here, which is here. Okay, so everything here we will copy and paste over. So apply to all, replace everything here. Okay, those that are not replaced are not being used, so we can just ignore them. Okay, so right now we are back in Unity, which is the game engine that I'm using to create Stellar Stars. Okay, so now let's select the images that we have just imported. Okay, 0.4096. Okay, we change this to 72, apply. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, that is indeed hard. It's not impossible, but it's hard. Okay, so I will take note of that and see how we can make it easier to jump in that situation. Okay, remember that you can also change directions while in mid-air, so you can jump in a curve-like manner, okay, towards the up direction. So for example, if you're here, you can jump like this if you want, or like this, because you can jump towards the right and suddenly just go towards the left while in mid-air. It's a more difficult technique, but hey, thanks for your suggestion. I'll see how we can improve that. Okay, get to the portal. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to take a look at the new images and what they look like when we start the game. Okay, so let me pause the background music. Okay, so we'll wait for Unity to start the game for the first time. Okay, so let me just put my tablet away for now, since now we'll be doing some coding and testing. Okay, for stellar stars, okay, all of the game's progress, that is the number of stars that you have collected and the options in the game, those will be saved in the save game file. So when you delete that, the game will think that you have not played the game before. Okay, so it will show you the tutorial again. Okay, so this is the new version of the image now. Okay, X to attack. Okay, so what happens when we collect our first star? Okay, so that means we need to hide the notification for defeat enemies. Okay, so that it does not affect the appearance of the next text, which is telling you how to cast a spell. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so let's go to our HUD manager here. So now we are going to fix that bug which you mentioned just now, where the text at the top is kind of mixed with another notification. Okay, so first we have to start with the defeat enemies notification here. So when the text that says defeat enemies is shown, okay, to defeat an enemy. Okay, I guess we do not need this. Okay, let's check the enemy script. Okay, waiting for defeat enemy. Oh, okay. Okay, so we need that. Okay, to defeat all enemies. 3.0. Okay. Okay, so it's the fading in and fading out that is kind of affecting the displaying of the text above. So we need to fix that. Okay, so let's fix the notification for the displaying of the cast spell. So okay, let's search for this. Okay, wait, then fade out. 3.0 cast spell. Okay. X to attack, defeat enemies. Okay, so that means if... Okay, so over here we fade the text for casting spells, but we wait 3 seconds before doing that. But if you cast a spell before that 3 seconds, then we have to hide it. So let's do that. Okay, so show. Okay, abilities require mana. Okay, so when we fade this in, okay, we should hide we should hide the casting spell, since we do not know when you will try to cast a spell, so might as well hide it. Okay, so let's do that. So we can copy this part and let's move it to, say, at a point of minus 500 and minus 500, which is way out of the screen. Okay, and of course when we fade in the word cast spell, okay, we want to hide the defeat enemies text, so let's do that. Okay, so for that, okay, so we'll hide this. Okay, dot transform dot position equals to, okay, and by hiding I mean moving it to way off or outside of the screen. Okay, hide defeat enemies. Okay, hide cast spell. Okay, and of course when we have defeated all of our enemies on the first stage, then we need to show get to the door. Okay, so when that happens, okay, so over here, okay, we need to show okay, usually when this happens, all of the previous notifications should have disappeared by then. Okay, but of course we will need to test it. Okay, so let's do that. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I'm assuming that there is an enemy which you can't reach, but are you able to shoot from far? Or is it because the platform that the enemy is on is too high to jump to? If that's the case, then it is definitely something we have to look into. Yeah. Okay, so this time the text or the notifications for the starting tutorial should not overlap each other. Okay, so left right to move. Okay, Z to jump. Okay, and let's collect stars because they are awesome. And X to attack. And of course defeat enemies. Okay, that was easy. So as I mentioned previously, you can spam your basic attack. Okay, get to the door. Whoa, okay, that was dangerous. Okay, just give me a second here. Okay, let's increase our jumping height. Whoa. Okay, just give me a second here. Oh. Okay, never mind. Okay, we will test this again. Oh, okay. Bottom right cover. Bottom right corner. Are you referring to the bottom right corner? And you can't kill yourself and you can't get to them. Is there a hole in the bottom right corner and you are in that hole or by the way, you can restart the stage by pressing the escape button. Okay, that pauses the game and it allows you to go back to the menu and also allows you to quit the game. So you can restart the game if you want, okay, by pressing escape, the escape key on your keyboard, or the start button on Xbox One controller. Corner. So are there other platforms that are blocking the path for at the bottom right corner? Oh wait. Okay, by the way, you can as what I have mentioned, you can press the escape key to restart the stage or to quit to the character selection menu or to exit the game. Okay, the escape key is also used to pause the game. Okay, Z to jump. Okay, X to attack. Oh. Okay, so we have our first star here. Okay, C to cast spell. Okay, so now the word C to cast spell does not interfere with the previous word. Okay, so spells require mana to use. Okay, so the words do not overlap anymore. Okay, so we have fixed that. Okay, and now it shows get to the door. Okay, and it fades off. Okay, so no more overlapping text now. Okay. Just curious though, have you reached the boss stage yet? Okay, because there is a boss stage at the end of each world. So, have fun challenging the boss. Okay, so the next thing that we need to change for the text is the, or rather are the numbers here. Okay, so let's do that. And of course, this pause menu here, we also have to change it to the new text design. Okay, click the menu. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so this is the HUD number level. Are you dying at the boss stage or just the normal stages with the usual enemies? First digit. Number underscore level. Okay, what's this? Oh. Okay, so HUD number underscore level. Okay, so all of them are using the same word. Okay. Okay, so we need to design the text for the HP divider and the MP divider, and also the word level and the numbers that they are using. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, by going back to Photoshop here, so now we'll design the word LV, which stands for level, and of course the oh wait, we are not using the word LV anymore, so do we need to do that? Okay, let's see. Okay, maybe for this we need, but oh, okay. Yeah, once you understand the behaviors of the enemies, then it should be easier for you to reach the boss stage. Okay, so that means we